Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, how are you? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take the class of Islamic Studies for class 5. Before starting our topic, my dear students, you have to inform about one topic, that is importance of HW. I am showing you how important HW is. See students, there are three type of marks. Number one, CT 10, SBA 10 and Diary 5. Total is 25. And each HW you will get 2.5. Already we are providing you marks 2.5, and minimum 10 HW we will provide to you, minimum 10. So 2.5 multiplied 10 is 25. So those who will submit their HW, all HW, inshallah they will get this 25 marks, and this 25 marks will be added in your annual term exam, inshallah. So I hope you understood the importance of HW. My dear students, today our topic is FB and matching from chapter 4. FB and matching from chapter 4. And this is the lecture number 5, and there is HW, that is also HW number 5. Okay, let's start our topic. My dear students, already we discussed from chapter 4. Many of the information we already gathered. So from there, I made 25 fill in the blanks. Students, remember, among there, many of the questions already has come last 2 years in PEC exam. So I will advise to you what we are providing to you. You must be learned. Then you can be, you will get the better marks. Number one, fill in the blanks from chapter 4. Number one is dash, means rules of reciting the Holy Quran correctly. This is one kind of definition of tajweed. So tajweed means rules of reciting the Holy Quran correctly. T-A-J, Taj, W-I-D, tajweed. Number two, dash means the organ means places inside the mouth from which Arabic letters are pronounced. This is also one kind of definition of makhraj. What is called makhraj? Then you can write this definition. So makhraj means the organs inside the mouth from which Arabic letters are pronounced. So answer I am writing here, makhraj, M-A-K-H-R-A-J, makhraj. Now number 3, the language of Quran Majid is dash. You know the answer, Arabic. A-R-A-B-I-C, Arabic. Number 4, Quran Majid is the last revealed dash book, heavenly book. H-E-A-V-E-N, heaven, L-Y, heavenly, heavenly book. If you write there Asmani book, that's also okay, no problem is there. So Quran Majid is the last revealed heavenly book. Number 5, you have your own dash and I have mine. Student, this is the last ayat's meaning of Surah Kafirun. You know there is Surah Kafirun, the last ayat is Lakum Dinukum Waliya Din. That's meaning is here. And I told you this type of question will come in the exam. In last one class I told you. You have your own dash on religion. R-E-L-I-G-I-O-N. and I have mine. Number 6, the smallest duration of gunna sound is equal to prolonging of dash. That's one alif. O-N-E, one, A-L-I-F, one alif. Number 7, a word that pronounced with the help of nose is dash. That is gunna. Gunna word also pronounced with the nose. That is gunna, like this. Now number 8, the number of verses of Surah Maun is dash. How many verses are there in Surah Maun? 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now number 9, the rules of reciting the Quran Majid properly is called dash. Students, number 9 and number 1 almost same. Just one word has been changed. The rules of reciting the Quran Majid properly is called tajweed. T-A-J-W-I-D, tajweed. Number 10, there are dash verses in Surah Fil. It's very easy, you know. There are 5 verses. A-5-V-E, 5 verses. Number 11, the letters of gunna are dash in numbers. 2. T-W-O, 2. That is mim and nun. You will remember the gunna letters. That is 2 gunna letters, mim and nun. Number 12, in Arabic, punctuation marks are called dash. Waqf. W-A-Q-F, waqf. Number 13, there are dash verses in Surah Kawthar. 3 verses. T-H-R-E, 3. Number 14, number of verses of Surah Al-Quraish is dash. I mean, how many verses are there in Surah Quraish? That is 4 verses. Number 15, Surah Kawthar was revealed in dash. Students, I told you last one class, all surahs, what is in your book, 5 surah are in your book, all surah revealed in Makkah. So undoubtedly you can write Makkah. And Makkah spelling M-A-K-K-A or M-A-K-K-A-H, both are correct. 16 number, dash means message, kalam. K-A-L-A-M, kalam. Number 17, to. You can see there is to. To, this sign is called dash. What is called this sign? This sign is called waqf-e mutlaq. W-A-Q-F, waqf. M-U-T-L-A-Q, waqf-e mutlaq. Students, number 8C, there are 2 signs, both are same. First sign is mim. This type of sign you will see in your Holy Quran, and this sign will come in the exam, not this sign, but for understanding, better understanding, I have shown you what is this. This is mim. So this sign is called dash. You know this sign is called waqf lazim. Waqf L-A-Z-A-M, waqf lazim. Number 19, gunna is dash. Gunna is wajib. W-A-J-I-B, wajib. Now number 20, dash is the pause between 2 breathing. This is one kind of definition, that is waqf. W-A-Q-F, waqf. So waqf is the pause between 2 breathings. Number 21, there are dash letters in Arabic language. It's very easy. That is 29. Number 22, importance of dash is unlimited. Gunna. J-U-N-N-A-H, gunna. Number 23, Quran shall remain dash forever, unchanged, unchanged. Quran shall remain unchanged forever. Number 24, there are dash makhrajes, 17 makhrajes. Number 25, last one, there are dash waqf sign in your textbook. There are 9 waqf sign. I hope you already counted how many waqf sign in your book. 9 waqf sign in your textbook. Students, again I am telling only the answer, you just correct it. Tajweed, makhraj, number 3 Arabic, number 4 heavenly, number 5 religion, number 6 one alif, number 7 gunna, number 8 7, then number 9 tajweed, number 10 5 verses 5, number 11 2, number 12 waqf, number 13 3, number 14 4, number 15 Makkah, 16 kalam, 17 waqf mutlaq, number 18 waqf lazim, number 19 wajib, number 20 waqf, number 21 29, 22 number answer is gunna, number 23 is unchanged, number 24 is 17, and number 25 last number is 9. My dear students, now I will discuss about the matching from chapter 4. I have shown you 2 type of matching. See, I written there the answer. Student, at first try to understand here. I written there the answer. In your exam or in your HW, you will pick up like this. That will be better. At first the A number, and then what is the from the right side, what will be the answer. So A plus 4, then full answer. I mean left side word and right side word. You will join there. Then it will be clear and it will be better understand for the teacher. So number 1 is waqf is A plus 4. So waqf is the pause between 2 breathings. And number B is gunna is a technique, that is number 3. To recite the Holy Quran with correct pronunciation. Then number C, waw ba mim are 3 letters, that is 7 number pronounced from 2 lips. Number D, waqf tam is, that is 5 like a full stop. D is 5 like a full stop. And number E is Quran Majid is E plus 1, the last revealed heavenly book. Students, see, there are 7 right side 7 sentences, but 2 will be extra for confusing to you. So for example, there are like comma, this one is extra, and then number 6 also extra. So you have to learn your lesson, then you will be clear. And matching number 2 is, I didn't show you how you will write, I have shown you the answer, but when you will do the HW, you have to pick up full sentence. So number A plus 4, B plus 5, C plus 1, D plus 6, and E plus 7. So I hope it's clear. Again I am telling to you, don't do the HW like this. You have to pick up both sides of the sentences, left side and right side. My dear students, see the HW. Attention to the HW. This is HW number 5 in annual term. Any 15 fill in the blanks. I have shown you 25. Any 15 you will do, and 2 matching. I mean these 2 matching with full sentences. You have to pick up full sentence. Don't write only the answer of fill in the blanks or only the answer of matching. Alhamdulillah, I hope you understood. That's all for today, my dear students. And again I am telling to you about the HW. This is very important and submit your HW on Sunday. So keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay safe, see you soon inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.